So, thank you for coming for this interview. And if you could just start telling me something about yourself, tell me where you are from. My name is Charlie, and I'm from Baguio City, and I'm an Igorot. Wait a minute.
Hindi ako makikipaglaro sa aking kaklase na Igorot dahil iba ang kanyang pananamit.
I'm an Igorot, and I wonder what makes me look different from other people. Oh dear, do I look like this to you? Seriously? Until this time, there are other people that thinks that Igorots are some kind of a variant coming from a different species. And just like other people in this planet, we have no more than two eyes. If you belong to the Igorot tribe, should you get offended, angry, curse other people for giving false information about you? Are you going to overreact? Nope. No, because we don't want to be judged as the person they think we are.
Hoy, Igorot na dugyot, maligo ka naman. Grabe kayo nga mang uyaw ti Igorot ah. Tapos lang kung na yun napintas kayo, kahit mo ta isal-sal ko lang ito sayote di abot ti agong mo. Yung pipintas, tapos lakamat nga kalabasa.
Never retaliate with offensive remarks, because the time you point your finger to someone, three of your fingers are pointing back at you. Igorots are peace-loving aliens. Peace-loving people. Did you just tell me that you're an Igorot? And that you live in a city? That sounds very strange, because I thought all Igorots lives in the mountains. This doesn't make sense at all. It's a fake news, isn't it? It is a fake news. And what confuses me, young man, is that you don't even look like how these modules describes an Igorot. We're normal beings just like any other Filipinos living in the country. You probably eat a lot of French fries and I eat boiled potato, but it doesn't come out from a route different from mine, does it?
Mga kababayan! Turn up! Tayo ay Pilipino, kahit anong kulay ng balat, isa sa puso, mapatagalog, Bisaya o Ilocano.
So I was wondering, where are all this information coming from?
Walang tatalo sa pagsik ng ating tubo, isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, huwag nang pag-usapan ng mga negatibo.
Have a tail.
Sabi pa nga ng libro, may buntot tayong mga Igorot, di ba?
Prove to me that you don't have a tail.
Put your hands on your head.
I said you stand up now, turn around, or I'm gonna blow your tail off. Now! Where's the tail? Igorots don't have tails! So Igorots don't really have a tail. But if you ask about the tail that has the power to get erected, that one I have.